Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce at home. Crafting delicious homemade spaghetti sauce is simpler than you might think, and it tastes so much better than store-bought. We will start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh produce and high-quality canned tomatoes. This foundation is crucial for developing a rich and authentic flavor that will impress everyone at your dinner table. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. We'll begin by finely chopping 1 medium onion and 3 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are essential for a savory foundation. Sauté them gently in about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil until they become soft and fragrant, but not browned. Then, for an extra layer of complexity, we'll deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of red wine, scraping up all those delicious bits. With our flavor base established, it's time to add the main components. Pour in 28 ounces of high-quality crushed tomatoes and 6 ounces of rich tomato paste. Stir everything together thoroughly. Now, season with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Let this beautiful sauce simmer gently on low heat for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Finally, for those delightful finishing touches, just before serving, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. Its vibrant flavor truly brightens the sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for your palate. Your homemade spaghetti sauce is now ready. Serve it generously over your favorite pasta, perhaps with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.